So, how to fix Instagram Reels videos not playing in less than 1 minute. So, all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps, go to Instagram app right here on this page. As you can see, we'll find all the app informations and settings. All what you have to do is click on the power usage details. This is very important. Disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Now click on the app launch option. Make sure that this option is on manage automatically. Click OK and go down here. Click on force stop. After you click on force stop, it will stop all the power analysis options right here, as you can see, like the CPU usage time and the time used, and the GPS usage time, and the kept system, and the upload Wi-Fi data. Now go back, click here again on force stop. Reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.